Hi, and welcome back to my channel, where I'm documenting my weight loss journey on the Optavia 5-in-1 program. Today, I'm going to show you a fueling hack where I'm going to make mini pepperoni pizzas in the air fryer. And I will show you exactly how to do that. We'll be using the rustic tomato herb penne fueling. I don't know about you, but sometimes for some of my meals, I want to have more of a lunch feel, not just a fueling. And that's where fueling hacks come in. And today, I'm gonna make these scrumptious pepperoni pizzas. You will need the rustic tomato herb penne fueling. You will also need 2 tablespoons of egg white, 3 tablespoons of water, and then the toppings will include about 1/8 of a cup of the Rao's homemade tomato basil, 1/4 cup of the reduced fat mozzarella cheese, and about 1/2 ounce of turkey pepperoni. But we are going to also be using a coffee grinder. I got this one at Walmart. I don't have a link. We are going to use the coffee grinder to grind up the rustic tomato herb penne into a fine powder. So we'll start with that. Rustic penne turned into powder form, we're going to mix all the ingredients together and make 2 flatbreads in the Dash Mini waffle maker. So we're going to start out with, where's my water? Here it is. We're going to start out with 3 tablespoons of water. And now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of egg white. Okay. Now, technically, I've been advised that you do not have to count 2 tablespoons of egg white towards your protein or a condiment. So now we're going to add our rustic herb penne. And mix that up.
You got me begging pretty please.
I'm gonna spray my mini Dash waffle maker and make the first flatbread. And we're gonna put that in the mini Dash waffle maker for 3 minutes. And while that's heating up, let me just talk a little bit about myself. I am home on my lunch hour, which is why I'm sort of dressed up. I live about 2 miles away from where I work, which has been really handy when I'm doing the 5-in-1, because I can come home and I can make things like this, and it really helps my enjoyment of the program. Okay, it's time to take the flatbread out. And I use an air fryer liner. I got these on Amazon, they're really handy. So let me do the next flatbread. And we'll let that cook for another 3 minutes. It's time to take the second flatbread out of the mini Dash. I guess I got one bigger than the other. Okay, so what I do next, you can see, is I'm going to put the Rao's, I'm using 1/8 of a cup and that is half a green. Now, technically, I think since you're using the rustic herb penne, it will have a tomatoey flavor. You wouldn't necessarily have to use the rayos. And of course, I will have to subtract half of a green from my lean and green meal later in the day. Okay, so we got that on there. Okay, now I'm gonna, this is a 1/4 cup of reduced fat mozzarella cheese. I'm going to put that on there. I probably don't even need the full 1/4 cup. Yeah, I still got a little bit left over. But a 1/4 cup of reduced fat cheese is 1/4 lean. And I will also have to subtract that from my lean and green meal later today. Now finally, I'm going to measure out a 1/2 ounce of turkey pepperoni. Now, turkey pepperoni is considered a lean. So 1/2 ounce is going to be 1/10 of a lean. Now wait a minute, how many do I have here? 5, 6. Okay, this is pretty much negligible. I'm using 6 pieces of turkey pepperoni and it's a 0.1 ounce. So I think that combined with the reduced fat cheese that I didn't even use a full 1/4 cup of, I'm gonna count this as 1/4 lean for my day and 1/2 green. So I'm gonna put these on top. Okay, so now I'm going to put these in my air fryer and I'm going to heat this up. It automatically comes on at 370. I think I'll just use that temperature and I'll put it in there for about 3 minutes. And we'll see how that turns out. The 3 minutes are up. Oh wow, can you see? And I'm just gonna lift this up. Makes cleanup really much easier. The air fryer did blow my pepperonis around a little bit. But look at this. Doesn't that look yummy? So I'm gonna enjoy my lunch and head back to work. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel and comment below with any fueling hacks or recipes that you would like to see me do. And I'm kind of restarting my journey. I had some health issues in the fall and then the holidays and then I went on a cruise. So I am attempting to do 30 days on plan with no cheating, and I would love to have an accountability partner. So if you are at all interested, my contact information is below. You can email me or contact me on Facebook. So you have a great day and I will see you next time.